Bro, no way. Oh my goodness, brand new. I wore the Air Jordan 1 Bred 85 high for 1 week, and this is what happened. Here are the pros and cons. Over the last 7 days, I did wear the Bred 185 high with drip grip sole protectors because I spent a lot of money on these. I want to preserve the bottoms and keep it fresh and brand new as long as possible. So if you guys want to do the same and cop yourself some drip grip sole protectors to help with your sneakers from dirt, grime, mud, anything that gets on the bottom of your shoes, you want to protect them, make sure you guys check out the link down below in the description. Go to dripgrip.com and use my code Danny10 to save 10% off your entire order. Laces. I am not putting those red laces in the Air Jordan 1 Bred. I believe this sneaker needs the black laces, just my personal opinion. Let me know down below in the comments if you prefer the red or the black laces with your Bred 1. I also did short lace them, so if you guys want to see how to do that, I dropped the YouTube short. You guys can go check that out and see how to short lace or loose lace your Air Jordan 1s. Comfort and sizing. How do these fit? How do they feel on feet? What's the break-in period? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Over 7 days, they're still not the most comfortable. They're not gonna be very comfortable. It is an Air Jordan 1 at the end of the day. However, I did still go true to size. I am a size 10.5 or an 11 in my Jordan 1. I can go either way. I went with an 11, and I'm happy I did. I don't think I would have liked the 10.5 because of the pinching that goes on. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you wore Air Jordan 1s before, the pinching on the pinky can get annoying. However, it will go away as long as you break them and continue to wear them. With this leather that's very stiff compared to any other pretty much Jordan 1 for the most part, it's stiff, it's thick, and it's gonna take some time to break in. I have been wearing them every day for 7 days, besides in the rain or any nasty weather. Other than that, I've been wearing them to walk the dog. I did wear them in snow. I got caught in snow one time, but I was able to quickly just wipe off the midsole. It was very, very quick, and I did have drip grip the entire time, so that definitely was a plus. But I will say this, if you're expecting these to be comfortable, no. It's an Air Jordan 1, it's not gonna be comfortable, and the new shape, to me personally, makes them a little bit more uncomfortable than more comfortable like any other Air Jordan 1 that we're used to. So I don't think this is a comfortable shoe at all. Hopefully over time, as I continue to wear them, it's only been 7 days, but as I continue to wear them, I'm hoping that they break in more and the leather gets soft and softens up on me and just breaks in better. Now the pinky did break up nice and soft, so that's good. I don't have that pinky problem anymore, pinky toe problem, so that's gone. The first day, especially the first day, it did suck. But other than that, you know, day 3, day 4, it was gone. I didn't notice it anymore, so that's definitely a bonus. The bottoms are clean, like I said, because I did put drip grip on them. These are pretty easy to take care of, I have to be honest. Because of the upper, it's easy to take care of. Now, when cleaning them, I do want to warn you guys, a big caution here. This red leather in the back, it does bleed. It does bleed like the Lost and Founds. I don't think it's as drastic as the Lost and Founds because those were pretty tough when it comes to the bleeding when you're cleaning them. But the Bred 1 here, 85, it does bleed. And I think it's just the paint. There's nothing we can do about it. So just be careful about that. Now let's talk about how to actually wear your Air Jordan 1s. If you ask me, loose lacing is definitely a way to go. I did do it on these. I don't always do it. Let me know how you guys usually wear your Air Jordan 1s, but I do like the loose lace on this 85 high. I think it just gives it the newer look, right? It's an old shoe. They brought it back 40 years later, so how you lace them is really gonna determine, in my opinion, you know, the new style to it, giving it that new fresh look that we all know and love here in 2025. Now, as far as outfits, for me personally, these are very easy for me to match, wear with basically anything because it is black and red, my favorite colors. So my wardrobe, very easy for me to wear these, not a problem at all. Other than this hoodie, I basically wear almost anything else with these. You know, the WrestleMania hoodie, I guess you can go with it. It does have some red in it. I guess it's doable. Like I said, they're so easy to wear. Just be careful of sizing because it's gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm gonna tell you guys, you know, with the sizing, with the pinky, with the leather, it's so stiff. It really truly is. They're saying it's a higher quality leather. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit thicker, but you guys can see with the shape here, it's just different than other Jordan 1s that we're used to. So here's a Jordan 1 I haven't worn yet, but these are the black toe reimagined Jordan 1s. I'll put these on feet very soon. If you guys want to wear test on these, let me know down below in the comments. But you guys can see the shape is just different. The height is different. It just makes it more uncomfortable. I have to be honest. These are not comfortable Air Jordan 1s, but I'm hoping as I continue to wear them and break them in, they'll get much more comfortable. You know, I do have some Jordan 1s that I've beat to the ground, not these, but other Air Jordan 1s, and they're comfortable. They became comfortable. It took a long time. A bunch of wears beat them up, and they finally became somewhat more comfortable, right? But it's just not a comfortable shoe. With the insole, you do have a different type of insole than what we're used to on Air Jordan 1s. This one, let me get it out here. It is a little bit thicker, I'll say. Not too much. You do have the writing there on the bottom. There it is. You do have the writing on the bottom. That is a legit check, just in case you were wondering. But it is basically the same. It's not much thicker. So if you want to swap out the insole, you can do that. Maybe it'll make it a little bit more comfortable. Personally, I just go with the insoles that they give us on every single sneaker. I never swap out the insole. But if you want to, you might want to give that a try. Now, creasing. I know some people can't stand creasing. Some people will be like, wear your shoes. Who cares about how creasing goes? But I will say this. They don't crease very easily. They're not creasing easily, so that's a good sign. I have like minimal to no creasing on them, which I'm shocked because other Air Jordan 1s crease like a, you know what I'm about to say. They crease like hell. But these, no. They really haven't creased, which is a good sign. And I've been loving them, enjoying them. I think it's a great pair of Air Jordan 1s. I did want to take care of these because I paid so much money for them. I paid the high when the market was high. So I do want to go ahead and take care of these sneakers. And it is, my opinion here, a top 3 sneaker of all time. Maybe not the 85 high, but just in general, the Bred 1 is a top 3 shoe for me of all time. So these were definitely a must. I have the 2013, beat those up like crazy. 2016 I have as well, and well, here we are again in 2025. 9 years later, it's good to see them back. However, this shoe is not really obtainable. It really was not. Retail's $250. Is it worth the $250 retail? If you're gonna truly wear them, you never had a Bred 1, sure. Is it worth resell? Right now they're at around $500. Is it worth double retail? That's up to you to determine. I'll let you guys determine that down below in the comments section. Let me know if you're gonna wind up paying resell for a pair. If you guys do own this sneaker, please comment down below a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys did not pick up this shoe for whatever reason, comment down below a bunch of trash emojis. Or if you're looking to pay resell, which I know some people are definitely looking to, they're just waiting because they want the price to come down. I do recommend waiting some more time. Here's the truth, if you ask me, if you give it 3, 4, 5 months down the line from now, I do see them dropping more in price because it's an Air Jordan 1. At the end of the day, Jordan 1 hype has truly died down a lot. So I definitely recommend waiting if you want to get them for as close to retail as possible. I don't see them being a good hold whatsoever. So let me know what you guys think about the Bred 185 high. You do have the Nike Air on the tongue. Very nice to see. And it's just a good overall pair of Air Jordan 1s. I'm not mad at the new shape. I do hope we get other OG colorways, only OGs with the 85 shape, this new shape. That is different than the other 85s. I know they keep just redoing it. It's so weird. But I hope we get this model, again, this exact shape, with other OG Air Jordan 1s. Do not do it on collabs. Do not do it on any new colorways. OGs only. And you could sign me up for that. The Royals, I could see them doing that. The Shadows, we haven't had Shadows in quite a bit. So I do think it's time for us to get some of these other classic, iconic OG colorways when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 in this shape. And you could sign me up for it, even if retail's $250 every time, which it's probably going to be, right? I'm fine with it, as long as it's an Air Jordan 1 in this new shape, and we get more OG colorways. I'm a fan overall. I think it's a good shoe. If you guys want to pay resell, like I said, I do recommend waiting as long as possible. However, if you want them just to have them, prices have dropped drastically, right? I paid $900 for this shoe. It is not a $900 shoe, so that's why I'm taking care of them and put drip grip and everything on them, but you don't have to spend that crazy price. About double retail, maybe a few dollars more will get you a pair. So let me know what you guys think about them down below. 23 stores. Very exclusive here in the United States. There is rumors of 10,000 pairs. There's more than 10,000 pairs. So let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments section. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you love sneakers, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. It's free. You can always unsubscribe later. And I appreciate you guys for your love and support. Let's get to 80,000 subscribers. We're almost there. So hit that subscribe button for me and let me know what you guys think about the Bred 185 high. Very easy to wear, very easy to manage, and just a classic, an iconic colorway, and for me, a top 3 sneaker of all time. Let me know what you guys think. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Huge shout out to Drip Grip once again for saving the bottom of my Air Jordan 1s. Otherwise, all this dirt and plenty more would have been all over the bottom, and it's not because of Drip Grip. Link down below in the description. Check out Drip Grip. Use my code. It'll save you some money. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.